Yeah, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. So, real quick, just doing a quick video, kind of killing two birds with one stone. So, this is going to be a very, very quick video, nothing too long. But I am testing out the OnePlus Nord N10 5G. I haven't really done much videos on this phone, and so currently, right now, I'm using it to record this video. I have this mic plugged into it, so hopefully it's working. I didn't see anything in settings that allowed me to use an external mic. Like when I plug it into any of my Pixel phones, when I set it in video mode to record a video, it usually, when you pull out the sidebar menu for settings in the Google Pixel camera app, it usually has a toggle where you can choose microphone or no microphone. This one, I didn't see it. So I'm not really too sure. But, you know, otherwise, hopefully it's working. Hopefully this is working, then it picking up my audio from the main microphone on the device itself. But video resolution looks pretty good. I'm using a selfie cam on it. So it's looking pretty good, in my opinion. And yeah, this is what I'm going to start using to film videos. So that way I can do any type of comparisons that I want to do. If I want to do comparisons with all my Pixel devices, I can. But just using the phone for some use out of it, I think personally, I think that's like the better option. So this is the selfie cam recording video in 1080p, 30 frames per second from the OnePlus Nord N10 5G, and hopefully I can get this phone unlocked in the future. Be able to use it on Google Fi and test it out on Fi and also on various different networks and see how well it works on different networks other than Metro by T-Mobile, which is where the phone came from. So it's locked to Metro for now. Hopefully, when I do the unlock next month, because next month, towards the end of July, basically, it should be crossing its 180-day threshold. So we'll see if we'll be able to get it unlocked. If not, I'm probably gonna have to find one of those unlocking sites to actually do it. Eventually, I will get the N10 5G unlocked. I guess that's the reason why I didn't do much videos on it, is because service is not active on it. So I can only tell you guys just how the experience would be using it on Wi-Fi, but using it on the network and stuff like that as a day-to-day thing outside of the house, it's a little bit different because I can't get an active SIM in there for it to be used. And on top of that, I'm not going to set up a Metro account just to kind of do some videos and stuff like that on it. To me, that'd just be a waste of money. So, anyways, guys, that's pretty much this video real quick. I am going to go live tomorrow. So be expecting a live stream tomorrow. Probably in the morning time, or at least, close to noonish, maybe 12 noon my time. So that probably 3 p.m. East Coast time or 4 p.m. East Coast time. I think 4 p.m. East Coast time. Because I know my dad's 2 hours ahead of me. So, anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about the quality. And smash the like button if you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, catch you on the next one. Peace.